Igama Nkosana Hlatshwayo. I'm the general manager at Dayise Express. Dayise Express is a company of transport. It's a bus company based in Bulawayo. Our job is to ferry our passengers from Bulawayo to different destinations. So now we are facing a serious challenge here as we are operating different routes. So our challenge currently is a route esuka Bulawayo is here Air Force. We've been operating this route since last year without any problems. From last week we started to experience some problems with one of our partners, a bus company ebizwa ngoStallion. Besinikezane ama positions nama post nama slots nezikhathi zokulayisha, since we didn't want to ukuthi senze izinto ezingena order. So thina isikhathi sethu sokulayisha is 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Now all of a sudden we are facing a challenge yokuthi uStallion has taken up our route. So we don't understand ukuthi since we are having a permit that was granted to us, ukuthi there is a slot esingayithola to operate Bulawayo Victoria Falls route. Why are we no longer having that space of ukuthi sikwazi operate on a daily basis or just to operate? So uStallion has been operating since last week. Every day is always there without even giving us any information why is he taking the route. But we only find out what the route that is operating, it doesn't even have a permit of doing so. A permit Stallion, they run from Harare to Victoria Falls. They don't have a permit that runs from Bulawayo to Victoria Falls. But just because this bus company are being owned by one of our president's son, they said these guys, they don't operate with permits. They've got nothing to. They've got no need. There's no need for them to use a permit as long as so this thing has pained us because we tried to sit in the table and resolve these issues, but the guys are declaring a war against us. Now, ngoba sesiku desperate situation, we've got no other options but to say we need assistance from various institutions ukuthi bakwazi ukusihelpa kule current situation esikuyo, because ngendlela okungakhona nangendlela okukhulumeka ngakhona, it seems like at the end of the day kuzochitheka igazi la koBulawayo. We cannot allow ukuhlukunyezwa size sihlukunyezwe nala okufanele khona kube nathi siyakwazi ukuthi sikwazi ukuphilisa imideni yethu, ngoba ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo currently this company inabasebenzi abasebenza kuyo, they need to be paid. Inama rents, there's a lot of things esikwenze savula le company okufanele ikwazi ukuthi izinakekele. So now what it means all these other people who are affected, they are non-entities. Only Stallion workers are the only people who knows money, or only Stallion owners are the only people abazi ukuthi imali umsebenzi wayo yini nokuthi ibona kufanele imali iye ngakubona. So that is our concern currently, ukuthi we don't know what to do, ngoba these guys, they don't want to negotiate, they don't want to hear anything from us except to declare ukuthi makufiwe. Ngiyabonga. Before we came into this route here Victoria Falls to Johannesburg, Bulawayo to Victoria Falls, there was iZupco which was running that slot. Siye sahlala phansi nabo because banalo ibhasi elirana emini around 10 o'clock. So sanizama ukurizina nabo ukuthi okay, nathi we've got a permit erana from Bulawayo to Falls. Can we have one of the slots there? Then without any delay or anything ukuthi kube nama hustlers ba understand labantu bakaZupco basigranta ilungelo lokuthi we can operate that time, including all these other company. Naye Ustallion, he was only coming here, offload the abantu, alayishe those few people are continue. So we don't know why now esebena this motive of saying exactly on our slot time akwazi ukuthi angene without any explanation, asithathele that slot. Uzupko is the one which was running that 4 o'clock slot, so he's got no problem. They are no longer there. We've been running without any hassles ebesihlangabezana nazo ngaso leso sikhathi.
So what should happen?
Thina esibe sikucela without ukuthi kuzogcine kusiya la esicabanga ukuthi kuzogcina kufinyelele khona. Besifisa ukuthi kube lento le iya resolve in a peaceful way. Si understandani ukuthi if we've got a bread sinengane ezingu 10 or 5, let us share those slices of bread ezikhona, kungabi nabanye abantu ababa greedy abazofuna half of the bread whereas ezinye ingane zingatholi lutho. Because last engagement yami nabo abantu bakaStallion, I even asked them ukuthi from Monday how many buses did Stallion loaded. Bangitshela ukuthi kulode 3 Stallion buses. Ngathi Tuesday mangaka amabhasi alayishile, bathi bona kulayishe 3 buses. On Wednesday same applies, kulayishe 3 buses. Ngase ngibuza ukuthi uDayise yena ukhipha amabhasi amangaki ngawo lawo malanga ekubeni nabe nikwazi ukukhipha 3 buses. What is 0? So ngase ngithi kuphi manje ukusebenzisana kwakhona ukuthi omunye umuntu uyakwazi ukulayisha 3 buses, omunye umuntu angalayishi lutho for the whole week. So bengicela ukuthi kube kuyenzeka lento le ikwazi ukuthi kube nabangenelela kuyo ngaphambi kokuthi igcine isibuyisele emuva kumbe ithunuka amancebe ethu.